Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove a reaction on a message on WhatsApp web using your PC. Follow these steps to easily undo a reaction you've made on a message. To begin, open web.whatsapp.com on your PC. Access WhatsApp web through your web browser to manage your messages and interactions conveniently. Find the message you have reacted to and wish to remove your reaction from. Navigate through your chat history to locate the specific message with your reaction. Click on the reaction emoji that you previously added to the message. This will display the reaction options and allow you to see the emoji you used to react to the message. Click on Click to Remove below the reaction emoji. By selecting this option, you will effectively remove your reaction from the message, clearing the emoji from the message thread. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove a reaction on a message on WhatsApp web using your PC, allowing you to adjust your responses as needed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the flexibility of managing your reactions on WhatsApp web by easily removing reactions from messages to keep your conversations just the way you like them. Happy chatting!